Go get it, Charlie. Get it, Charlie. Bear. No.
He's in a lot of pain or something. His back legs are giving out. Did you give him his Ramadan? Oh. Forget it. I'll just walk him with his leash.
No, you can't. He won't.
Here, you want me to? Here, I'll do it.
You hold him.
Daredevil dog.
I'll hold this and clip it.
No, Charlie, just a minute, buddy. Now pull that side up. Now. Charlie! Oh, you're fine.
Come on.
Charlie! You got it. Where do I smell pee?
Rug pee smells. This way or the other way?
That way. No, the other way.
Oh, it's twisted.
Oh, Jesus.
Forget it. Just forget it. I'm not taking him out then.
You just hold him. You pick him up and hold him.
Okay. Give Mama a kiss. Give Mama a kiss. There's one.
Put it through.
I'm trying. He's pulling back.
All right, down. Put him down.
Hey!
Sorry, not your ear.
All right, you're fine, you dodo. Is it too tight? No. I don't think so. Here. Okay. Go get your toy.
Yeah.
Should I try it? I'm gonna do
His
it.
legs are like.
Cheap rug at Walmart. Rugs are kind of.
Can I go with you?
Here, follow along. Here, there's one on this back. Here, watch that. You gotta keep moving. Turn it off and eat, though.
Okay, give me that.
Are you taping?
Bear.
I really like to keep the scoop.
Charlie.
Charlie.
He's gonna follow me to the back door because he knows that's where the food is. No, we cannot jump in. Come on, get out. Can't jump in the bin.
5 kids, Mom. 5 kids.
Hey, Sarah, stop taking video, honey.